In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get smoother playback in Adobe Premiere Pro. If your timeline feels choppy or laggy, these practical tweaks will help you edit more comfortably without changing your final export quality. Start by lowering your playback resolution. In the program monitor, open the drop-down that usually says full and switch it to 1/2 or 1/4. This only affects what you see while editing. Your footage and exports remain full quality. It's a quick way to reduce the strain on your system, especially with 4K, high frame rate, or multicam clips. You can always bump it back up to full when you want to check fine detail, then return to a lower setting for smoother scrubbing. Next, enable GPU acceleration. Go to File, Project Settings, General, and under Renderer, choose Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration. Pick the option that matches your system, like CUDA, Metal, or OpenCL. This lets Premiere offload intensive tasks to your graphics card, which often improves playback and rendering times. If the GPU option is missing or grayed out, updating your GPU drivers usually brings it back. Now clear your media cache. Head to Preferences, Media Cache, and click Delete to remove old or corrupted cache files. This is safe. Premiere will rebuild what it needs as you work. Clearing the cache can fix unexpected slowdowns and reduce disk clutter. If you edit a lot, consider setting your cache location to a fast internal SSD for better performance. For heavy projects, use proxies. In the project panel, select your high-resolution clips, right-click, go to Proxy, and choose Create Proxies. Pick a lower resolution preset, set the destination, and let Media Encoder generate them. Back in Premiere, toggle proxies on to edit smoothly with lightweight files, then toggle them off to switch back to full resolution before color work or export. It's one of the best ways to keep complex timelines responsive. Free up system resources by closing other apps. Web browsers with many tabs, cloud sync tools, and background updaters can eat RAM and CPU. Quit what you don't need while editing, especially during multicam work or while using effects. Finally, keep Premiere Pro and your GPU drivers up to date. Use the Creative Cloud app to install the latest Premiere version and update your graphics drivers from your manufacturer's software. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that directly impact playback. After applying these changes, save